Hello everyone, in today's video I will share with you how to make your own professional counting game for kids. As you can see, this is our gaming website homepage design. Homepage design is looks very nice. Now I am click on the play. Now I am off sound. As you can see, our game level high level 10. And as you can see, you add your gaming website multiple menu, it is possible, and you change your website design, it is possible. I will discuss with you everything step by step. Now I am click on the one number game. As you can see, how much bear 1, how much rabbit 1 2 3 3. Okay, just click on the 3. Now tap 3. Okay, as you can see, rabbit 3, birds 1 2. Now I'm clicking on the 1, it is false, so not correct answer. Just I'm clicking on the 2. Yes, it is correct answer. Now I'm going to 2 game. As you can see, 2 game is very nice. I hope like this. Now I'm going to 3 game. As you can see, 3 game many very nice. Now I'm going to 4 game. 4 game is very nice. How much sun 1, just click on the 1. This game very nice game for kids. Now I'm click on the 6 number game. 6 number game is nice. Now I am going to 7 number game. 7 number game is nice. Now I am going to 8 number game. 8 number game is nice. Now I am going to 9 number game. 9 number game is nice, very nice. Now I am going to 10 number game. As you can see, 10 number game is nice. Now how much book 1 2 3 4, just click on the 4. Okay, correct answer. In this video I will discuss with you step by step how to create like this professional game. Please watching this full video, because you watching this full video and create your own kids game like counting game or math game. This is a very good game. You create this gaming website and lot of earn money. So now I will discuss how to make like this professional gaming website. We will now purchase of this gaming source code from Codetai account. Check the video description, because I will give you of this gaming source code discount link in the video description. Please check video description and get your discount link offer. This source code price only $10. You purchase this source code just one time and use in your website lifetime. I will discuss with you how to publish this gaming source code in your website or online. At first, purchase of this gaming source code. For this, click on the add to cart. Then click on the go to checkout. Now you need Codetai or Ingbata account. So you create Codetai and Ingbata account. You using very easily Google, Apple or Facebook. Then create your Codetai account, or you using others option. Submit here first name, last name, email and password. Okay. Then create your Codetai account. Dear viewers, I am already create my Codetai account, so I am now login my account. As you can see, I am successfully login my Codetai account. Now you must submit here your billing details step by step. As you can see, I am already submit my billing details, so I am now click on the save and continue. Now you using 2 international payment gateway purchase of this premium gaming source code. You using your own banking card or you using your own PayPal account. For example, I am now use my banking card, then purchase of this gaming source code. As you can see, I am submitting my card information. Now click on the pay securely. As you can see, I am successfully purchased of this gaming source code. Only $10. My payment is complete. Now I am going to download section. Now download your gaming source code all information. For this, click on the download button. Now download all files and documentation, then download license certificate and purchase code, then download license certificate and purchase code txt. You must download 3 files. As you can see now, I am already download 3 files. You must download like these 3 files. Okay. Now you need best domain and hosting to publish your kids gaming website online. My personal advice, you purchase domain and hosting Namecheap website, because Namecheap website give you best hosting. This hosting help your gaming website super fast loading speed. Check the video description, because I will give you Namecheap website discount link in the video description. Please check video description and get your discount offer link. You can find all type of hosting server on this Namecheap website. Now we will learn how to purchase a shared web hosting server. You can select the hosting server location based on your specific needs. And you should definitely choose an annual plan for better value. Here you can see 3 wonderful packages. You can choose any package from here and purchase it, no problem. However, my personal advice is that you should definitely purchase the Stellar Business package or number 3 package, because in this package you get automatic backup and cloud storage, which is very important for every website. Also, you get a free domain with this package. Now we will purchase the 3 package or Stellar Business package. For this, we have to click on the Get Started button. Now we can choose a new domain for free. For this, you will need to enter any domain name of your choice here. Here you can see that you can get this domain absolutely free. You can choose any domain of your choice. Then we will connect this domain to our hosting. Now we need to click on the Add to Cart button. We must confirm the order. Now we need to create an account on Namecheap. For this, we need to submit the correct account information here. We have submitted the information correctly. Now we need to click on the Create Account and Continue button. Then we have to submit our own address here step by step. You must submit your own address here step by step. Now we need to click on the Continue button. Then we will select here. Now we will click on the Continue button again. We can purchase domain hosting using various international automatic payment methods. For example, you can pay through PayPal, or you can pay through various type of international card and various cryptocurrency. Now we will learn how to make payment via banking card. For this, we need to submit the correct card information here. Now we need to confirm the purchase by clicking here. Then we will confirm all our information by clicking here. Now we must click on the Continue button. Now we need to confirm terms and conditions of the Namecheap website. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking the Pay Now button. We have successfully purchased domain and hosting from Namecheap. So let's go to main dashboard of our hosting panel. Then we will go to hosting list section. Now we can easily log in to cPanel by clicking on this button. As you can see, this is our cPanel dashboard. Now we will learn step by step how to publish our gaming source code online, or how to publish our game online. This is a very simple. Please watching this full video and step by step follow. At first, we will go to file manager, then go to public HTML folder, because we will now upload our gaming source code in the public HTML folder. Now I am going to our downloaded source code file or folder. Now extract this zip file. As you can see, our zip file is extract. As you can see, this is a documentation. You open this documentation, then you learn step by step how to customize your game. This is a very simple, so I am ignore this. Now I am open main source code file. As you can see, this is our main source code file. Now convert this source code file in zip file. I am now convert this folder in zip folder. As you can see, our folder is converted in zip folder. Now upload this zip in your hosting panel or cPanel public HTML folder. For this, go to upload section. Now click on this select file. Now upload this zip file. Our zip file uploading and complete. Now click on the go back. Now extract this zip file. Our zip file extracting. Now delete this zip file. Now open this folder. Now copy or now select all files, because we will now transfer all files in public HTML folder. Just click on the select, then click on the move. Now go to public HTML folder, then submit here public HTML part, then click on the move files. Now as you can see, our all folder transferred in public HTML folder. Now delete this folder. Now enter your domain name in your browser. As you can see, our gaming website is ready. Now any kind of user, click on the play. I am off the sound. Okay, now click on the one was all working. Okay, all working. Then go to 10 level, all working. I hope you understand how to create counting game for kites. Now customize your any kind of gaming functionality, because this game development HTML, CSS or JavaScript. Just follow this folder icon, image, and then media. As you can see, this is sound, and then script. This is all file. You customize this all file, no problem. This is very simple. Create your counting game for kids game. I hope you understand. Thank you so much watching this full video. If you any question, please comment us or check the video description, because I will give you my all contact information in the video description.